our book. We've already marked down the syllabus.
What
And it is now time to
beautiful
discuss the
painting.
first chapter, the
This
sentence.
what beautiful
Turn to page number 1. Now
What a
talking
beautiful
about the
painting.
section, the sentence. First of all, we need to know what is a sentence. So before doing these exercises, like what Pranjal just now said, that we cannot understand the meaning of beautiful is painting what this. But when we arrange this into a proper sentence, what a beautiful painting this is. That means now we are able to get a meaning of this. What does this suggest? This gives us the definition of sentence. So before we get to the second sentence, write down the definition of the sentence. For now, you can write the definition over here. And this definition is to be copied in your English language notebook. If your English language copy is ready with you, put today's date. Put today's date on the date column. Write down lesson 1, the sentence, and write definition of sentence in the fair copy itself. I am telling the definition now. A sentence is a group of words. A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. S-E-N-S-E. Sense. Okay. Now let us discuss the second one. Jar broke the who? Faiza, can you tell us this one? In the first one, you need to put, just a minute, you need to put an exclamation mark also at the end. So the first one is, what a beautiful painting this is. Okay, Faiza, go ahead with the second one.
Who broke the jar? Question mark.
Very good. You need to have the punctuation marks with you. Who broke? B-R-O-K-E. Who broke the jar? Question mark.
Ma'am, microphone is off.
Just a minute, I'll be back. Sorry for the interruption, children. So, second one is, who broke the jar? Question number 3. Ira.
Yes, ma'am.
The hatch door opened. Okay.
Ma'am, at once the door opened.
It cannot be like this. Sorry. Somebody else will
Can
try.
I
Ma'am,
open the door at once? Ma'am, open the door
that you have done this. Everybody, please be into proper discipline. Don't do this. Angel Abbas, can you tell us?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth one.
Ma'am, open the door at once.
Open the door at once. Fine. Question number 5. She well sings how?
How did she sing?
Is it complete? Does anybody wants to make any changes
My
to it?
exclamation mark. My exclamation mark.
Okay, fine. Avika, please repeat the fifth sentence.
How well she sang! Exclamation mark.
Very nice. How well she sings! Exclamation mark. Last one. Question number 6. Your what name is? Darsh Trivedi, can you tell us this one?
Yes, ma'am. What is your name?
And what else? Yes. What is your name? Question mark. Fine, children. So, is there any confusion with the warm-up exercise?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Please read out the definition given below.
Ma'am, please, what do you ask me?
I said, read out the definition given below. I had already told you to read out the definitions on page number 1, 2 and 3 if you remember.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes,
So,
Yes.
shall we discuss with them?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay. Okay. So, please make sure that you don't have to write any other definition. You have written one definition in the class. A sentence is a group of words which make a complete sense. A sentence is a group of words which make a complete sense, right? Only this definition is to be written in your fair copy. Okay? Now, let us talk about the kinds of sentences. Generally, there can be 4 kinds of sentences: declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Declarative, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory. Okay. Now let us find out what are these 4 sentences one by one. The first one is a declarative sentence. When we declare something, when we state something, when we say something, it is a declarative sentence. So basically, a sentence at the end of which we put a full stop is a declarative sentence. A declarative sentence ends with a full stop. Please underline this on the first page. This sentence, this statement is written. Declarative sentence ends with a full stop. Also write down, book में ही लिख लीजिए. It declares a fact. F-A-C-T. It declares. It declares a fact. F-A-C-T. Turn the page, page number 2. Now, declarative sentence, यानी कि full stop वाला sentence, it can also be of 2 types. An affirmative sentence and a negative sentence. What is the difference between these two? Can anybody tell? Navya, can you tell? Don't unmute your mics, all of you. Navya, can you tell?
An affirmative sentence are those sentences that tell the good things about the person, and negative sentence did not tell the good about the person. Like example,
No, beta, no. That is not a correct explanation. Sorry. Divyanshi, can you tell us the difference between everybody else? Please read out and find out. Declarative sentence is of 2 types: affirmative and negative. Divyanshi,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's tell about, ma'am, negative sentence tell about what is wrong. And affirmative.
No, beta, no. That is not exactly what I was looking for. Okay, but fine that you've tried.
Ma'am, it tells about the not.
Hold on. When I have already given a name, she is telling us, Devanshi, repeat your sentence.
Ma'am, it's tell about to not.
Acha, chalo, I will tell. No, you're not getting the right meaning, beta. But well tried. Okay. Yes, Aviral, what are you saying?
And negative sentence are those sentences which give negative examples like she does not do anything. She doesn't.
Okay, fine. Let me tell. Now, listen to me very carefully. A declarative sentence is of two types: affirmative and negative. Negative sentence is that sentence which has the word not in it. No, not, none, never. इसमें negative words होते हैं. And an affirmative sentence is that sentence which does not have the word not. For example, I will teach you. This is an affirmative sentence. I will not teach you. This is a negative sentence. She always completes her work. This is an affirmative sentence. She never completes her work. This is a negative sentence. Does it get clear to you?
Yes,
Did it get clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Affirmative is written with green color in the bracket.
Yes, ma'am.
First line. So affirmative sentences are also called positive sentences. Positive. So where affirmative is written, please write down positive. Positive. Positive sentence. And make a dash in the book only. Make a dash and write down these sentences.
मम्मी
Video is paused.
कैसे खानी है
Is it okay now?
याद भी तो नहीं आ रहा हूँ
Yes, ma'am.
These sentences do not have
पापा
words
ये दवाई
like
लग दो उस पन्नी में तो फैली जाएगी
words words
डालो
like like
अलग रखना आपकी
words
भी लाल
like
शीशी है
not comma none
हाँ
comma
छोटी है
never
ना
etc. No, not, none, never, etc.
Then this we have to write in our copy or not?
Don't write. It is written in the book. It's fine.
Okay.
Definitions. You just have to understand the definitions. Definitions don't come for writing in exam, but it will help you to solve the exercises. Now, negative sentence. Negative sentences are those sentences which have no, not, none, never, these words in them. It is already written. There is no need to write it. Next category is that of interrogative sentences. Children, interrogative sentences are those sentences which are question sentences. Right? Interrogative sentence can be of four types. First one, yes, no type. Second one, WH. What is WH? Which have question words like who, why, when, where, whom, whose, what. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Fine. It is already written here also. Third one is a tag question. Now we will discuss tag question in detail because it is a little long to explain. Then the fourth one, choice question. If a question is asked, should we study English or social studies? The answer will be, ma'am, we can study English. Or the answer can be, ma'am, we can study social studies. So the question is giving you two choices and any one of the two is the answer. If these type of questions are there, it is called a choice question. So we have discussed yes, no, a question which has an answer called yes or no. Do you like eating apples? Yes, I love eating apples. Or no, I don't like eating apples. Yes या no में इसका आंसर होता है. Second one, WH, which contains questions like WH, what, where, whom, whose, when, and all. And the last one is choice question. We have to discuss tag questions. Your homework today is to read out all the 4 definitions again. And on the next English turn, we are going to discuss tag questions, imperative questions, and exclamatory questions. Understood? Please revise all what we have done. We have revised declarative and we have revised interrogative. Declarative and interrogative revise and read out imperative and exclamatory. Also, just a minute, Aviral. Also, try to solve exercise A in rough. Exercise A. You just have to identify which type of sentence is this. And on the next English term, we are going to discuss this. Yes, Aviral, what are you asking?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay. So, children, all what we have done today, is everything clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I repeat, we have done the warm-up exercise. Secondly, we have discussed declarative sentences and interrogative sentences. You have to revise that. Also, read out imperative and exclamatory sentences. We will discuss this on the next English term. Try to do exercise A. We will discuss this in the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, only exercise A. And please do not copy from any of your friends. There is no need of cheating. I will discuss all the answers. किसी से पूछ के लिखने की there is no need. So, Reshan, you can stop the recording now.